Hey guys, take a minute with the video for you guys. In today's video, we're going to do a quick color comparison on the new iPhone 14 Pro with the new deep purple against the space black, which is not quite a new color, but a new name for the midnight or the space gray color on the iPhone 14 lineup. So we're going to do a quick color comparison. So if you're deciding between which color to choose, like we did unboxing for you guys, hopefully this little comparison help you guys make that decision. So without further ado, let's go ahead and take this phone and take it out of the box here. We already did the unboxing, so you should know how it looks like in the unboxing here. So that's going to be the space black. Again, I mentioned the space black is a mix between the what used to be called the midnight and the space gray, basically a darker shade of it. So we'll put that aside here for a second. And then taking a look at the new deep purple color. Now this is the new color that's introduced. Again, seems to be a hot color for a lot of phones. So we'll go ahead and take a look at it. And quickly looking at the lock screen here. Of course, they have different wallpaper, but that wallpaper is customizable. Of course, you can change it. But by default, they just tend to get the color of the phone. So, and then, of course, if we go into the actual screen here, we notice here, same apps, same exact thing. For this one, already has some apps downloaded, ready to go. So from the top here, you have that dynamic island going on, the same phone exactly. If you hold it from the front, of course, the color doesn't matter because you can't really tell. The bezel looks all the same. But when you turn to the back, that's where things start to change, and that's where the color difference are. So holding it in light, as you can see here, the space black and the deep purple in this one, and then looking at it in this angle. And then, of course, the bottom here, top side here. Let's hold on this side. So you got that 5G MMM wave, bottom, and then this side here. And then the US model, as you know, no longer has a physical SIM card, which used to be here. It's just all eSIM, so you won't have a SIM anymore. So that's the top, and give you guys the rundown of the cameras. You can see these cameras are huge, and then up close shot of the phones here. This phone has a little bit lint over here, but as you can see, again, fits really nice on the phone, as you can see here on the hand. And the color, again, both are a darker shade of color. Again, purple at one point, if depending on if you put a case on, which then you only see that part, probably won't make too much of a difference. But if you're really choosing between the colors, again, honestly, both color you can't go wrong with it. I think both colors are pretty much awesome. That's what I want to hear from you guys. I want you guys to vote what color you guys like in the new 14 lineup. One of these colors or any of the other one, which would be silver, and of course the new deep purple versus the gold. So which one do you guys like in terms of color, or which one did you guys buy? Leave a comment in the comment section. Thanks for watching, guys. See you guys next time.